Did you know that nearly 78% of pregnant women experience sleep disturbances? Especially during the third trimester, sleep becomes challenging due to hormonal changes, back pain, frequent urination, and increased anxiety. Poor sleep during pregnancy is not just uncomfortable. It's linked to higher risks of gestational hypertension and low birth weight. Simple strategies can help. Try sleeping on your left side, use pillows for extra support, avoid caffeine late in the day, and maintain a calm or dark sleep environment. If you are experiencing loud snoring, gasping at night, or persistent insomnia, consult us at Neurology and Sleep Center. Because quality sleep during pregnancy is essential for both mother and baby.